Hi everybody, it's Gundam Lover Girl here with
Dice Boy 22. And I don't know, I think I'm not shaving or something. Oh well.
he's not that shaven.
Most of the time I'm not.
Well, today he had a doctor's appointment
In Gainesville, which is very far from Pontevedra.
and then came and picked me up and we built.
Noble Gundam, which is up there. So go get up and show them.
I'll show you guys Noble Gundam
Along with the others.
along with my others. Can't figure this out. What?
So we're not staying in Rio?
No, just passing through.
If you guys saw it, I got Noble Gundam up there, got Wing Zero, and God Gundam. And right now we are watching Twilight Breaking Dawn, the making of. Why do you guys not get into Twilight? Come on, it's one of the best things. With Jackson Rathbone, Ashley Green, Nikki Reed, Peter Fasinelli, Kellen Lutz, Taylor Lautner, Boo Boo.
They're forced pixies, not vampires.
Hold on a second.
Ow. 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 That hurt so bad. No, it really didn't.
Gotta pick on him every now and then. Well, what you probably also saw up there, if, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look through this. Oh yeah, I have no makeup on today. Well, actually to say, I do have some on my eyes, but I have no makeup on today, so you guys are seeing me without makeup. My hair not really done, but he still loves me.
Really, I don't care if she has makeup or whatever. It's fine by me.
Oh yes, you see my Pikachu in the background.
Hi, Pikachu.
Pikachu, I choose you! Or, if you're a Hetalia fan, China, I choose you!
Oh boy.
He didn't know he would be getting a Hetalia fan for a fiance.
I'm just fine. I'm fine with it. And I am not watching Black Butler.
Yes, you are.
No. Never.
I'll get him to watch it one of these days.
If you ever buy the complete collection.
Well, he got a new Gundam kit in an SD.
The Musha Godmaru SD, which is basically the BB Legends version of God Gundam and probably Shining Gundam put together.
Alright. Favorite Gundam?
God Gundam, hands down.
Sandrock.
Sandrock's okay.
It's mainly because of the pilot. Katrava winner. But my favorite line comes from two other Gundam pilots. And it goes, I don't know why I bothered to rescue this guy. He's annual-sexual, thinks he's evil Knievel, and doesn't talk. Will you please keep it down over there? Excuse me for being a mere mortal. Quote from
Gundam Wing Endless Waltz.
No, Gundam Wing, the series.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And it was said by Duo Maxwell
And
and
Hiro
Hiro
Yui.
Yui. Man, I should wear my Gundam outfit one day when I'm doing this.
Does anyone know where this one is from? My hand is burning red. Its loud roar tells me to grasp victory. Here I go! Shining finger!
Of course, HG Gundam.
Yeah, that was an easy one. You'd be crazy not to know that.
I guess a lot of people might be. Ah. Well, me and him went and saw a movie.
Uh, yeah, Les Miserables.
Les Miserables.
I still say
It's French for The Miserables.
I still say Miserables.
It was really good. If you guys are a fan of musicals, go out and see Les Miserables.
Miserables.
It means miserable. It's spelled miserable because in English you pronounce it miserable, but it is a French musical. So you call it by its French name. Les Miserables. Don't make me get Vegeta on you.
Oh yeah, where did you put that Vegeta?
It fell on the floor. I had it on the table and Waldo climbed up there earlier.
Well, why don't you put him up there with the Gundams?
I will. Well, if you notice up there as well, above, I've got High School Musical dance game.
Why are we talking about High School Musical?
Because I'm a High School Musical fan.
I don't enjoy musicals.
And I do.
Oh.
My favorite would be Think of me once in a while. Please say you'll try. Do you know what that one's from?
Mama Luigi! No.
Phantom of the Opera.
Oh.
The Phantom of the Opera is there inside my mind.
Chaos Emeralds.
Hold on for a second.
Did I do that? Oh.
He's a little distracted by something. Oh, and one thing I got for Christmas this year, I have misplaced, but it is totally cool. It's a sonic screwdriver, and it lights up and makes sounds. I know, 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Well, I have to say, this has been Gundam Lover Girl, over and out.
Bye, everybody.